Oh, dyan ka na lang. Baby, 5 minutes. Look. Video. Si Merlinda. Hindi siya kumakanta. Nagbibigyan mo ka. Okay. Si Merlinda, hindi kumakanta. Si Merlinda.
Oh, she's shy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But this is her house.
Oh, hindi, sa amin.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Gusto lang siya marinig. Oh.
Dito, reserve mo.
Ano?
Input mo yung number, then rest.
Rest. Wala. Kagabi siya kumanta.
Oh.
For the first time in a
Oh,
long
really?
time. Yeah.
Do you go to school here? Where? Big city?
Yeah.
You like the school? What grade are you?
High school, 9th grade.
Oh, 9th grade! Are you the smallest in class?
Yeah?
Ano? But are they nice? They're not racist?
Ah.
Oh, no, oh, good. They can be racist. But most of them are like Latinas too, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Because where we live, it's mostly like white and Mexicans.
Meron din mga Filipino doon.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Marami pong makita.
Oh, wow. Oh, I like that. Who's doing that? They're like reserving. Sino nagre-reserve? Ah, hindi. You know. Oh, you are? Oh, I like that. Ah.